Hi, this is Grace. Today we are going to make pizza using regular oven. This recipe was developed through numerous failures. I can say it's better than a lot of the mediocre pizza places. I make my dough using a bread maker, which is more reliable. Add all the wet ingredients first, then the dry ingredients. The ingredients will be listed in the description section as usual. I don't have bread flour, so I added a tablespoon of gluten powder. I find this substitution is just as good. Select dough function and let the bread maker work the magic. After the dough is done, prepare 2 4-cup bowls by adding a tablespoon of olive oil. Apply oil on your hand to avoid sticking. My recipe will make 2 10-inch pizzas or 1 14-inch. I usually make 10-inch, so I will divide the dough in half. Start to make a ball by stretching the dough from sides to the center. Finish by pinching the end together. Then oil the dough and let it rest in the fridge overnight, up to 3 days. It's possible to make the pizza the same day, but the longer you wait, the better the dough becomes. About 3 to 4 hours before cooking, take the dough out of fridge to proof in room temperature. This is what the dough looks like after 4 hours. Add some flour to the working surface. Then take the dough out. Punch down to remove air bubbles. Start to stretch the dough to a circular disc. I like to make as thin as possible. The light through the crust shows how thin it is. The dough is very soft and easy to handle. Just be careful, don't break it. Spread some cornmeal on the pizza peel, then lay the dough. Cornmeal will help prevent sticking. Pizza stone is a must if you want to make decent pizza. Set the oven to highest temperature and preheat at least 45 minutes. Now it's time to make the tomato sauce. I use a 6-ounce can of tomato paste, which will be enough for 4 10-inch pizzas or 2 14-inch pizzas. Add pressed garlic, Italian seasoning, water, and mix well. You can replace the garlic with garlic powder, and you can add any seasoning you like. Add a little more water if it's too thick. I use low moisture mozzarella. If you use fresh mozzarella, make sure to dry it or it will be too watery. 4 ounces will be enough for a 10-inch pizza. After the preheat is done, make sure the dough is not stuck to the pizza peel by moving it around. This is a very important step to make sure the pizza will slide down to pizza stone easily. Scoop a quarter of the tomato sauce. Spread evenly onto the crust. Then add the shredded mozzarella. At this point, you can add any toppings you like. You can also mix up and add several different toppings. Cook the pizza for 7 minutes. Look, how beautiful! You can hear how crunchy the crust is. Thanks for watching. See you next time.